All right, so today we're going to dive into Cloudflare's security strategy. We're going to break down exactly how they use a layered defense. Think of it like a digital fortress to protect, well, everything from your network all the way down to your individual applications.
You know, that's the big question, right? In the world we live in, a single digital wall just doesn't cut it anymore. The real goal, the smart goal, is to build a system where if one defense gets breached, there's another one right behind it ready to go. And that's the whole idea behind a layered defense.
Exactly. It's like a series of digital checkpoints. So today, we're going to look at three of Cloudflare's most important layers: the Network Firewall, the Web Application Firewall, and something called Magic Transit. We'll see how each one plays a really distinct but totally connected role.
So let's kick things off at the very first layer, the outer perimeter, the network firewall. This is your first line of defense, and it operates at the network's most basic levels. We're talking layers 3 and 4. Its whole job is to stop the most obvious noisy threats right at the front door, before they even get close.
I absolutely love this analogy. It makes so much sense. Picture a security checkpoint on a massive highway, miles and miles before you actually get to the city. Before any data gets anywhere near your servers, this checkpoint is just inspecting the basics. It's not looking inside the cars yet. It's just checking the license plates, making sure the vehicles are even allowed on this road in the first place.
So what's its main job? Super simple, really. Stop bad network traffic before it gets inside. It filters based on those fundamental details like IP addresses, what ports they're trying to use, and protocols. If a just ridiculous flood of traffic suddenly shows up from a known bad neighborhood on the internet, it gets blocked right here. Done. Miles away from anything important.
Okay, so we've passed the highway checkpoint. Let's move one layer deeper. Now we're off the highway, we're in the city, and we're standing at the front door of a specific building. This is the Web Application Firewall, or WAF for short, and it operates way up at layer 7, which is where your actual applications live and breathe. And this is where the analogy gets even better. The network firewall checked the car, right? But the WAF is the security guard at the front door, and they are checking the person getting out of the car. What's in their briefcase? What are their intentions? It's a much, much more detailed inspection.
So its whole purpose is to protect the application itself by looking inside the traffic. It's inspecting the actual HTTP requests for tricky threats the first firewall would totally miss. For instance, if some attacker tries to sneak malicious code into a login form, a classic SQL injection, the WAF is specifically designed to spot that kind of shady behavior and shut it down flat.
Okay, now for the big one, the third and broadest layer, Magic Transit. If the network firewall protects the highways leading into your city, and the WAF protects the individual buildings, well, Magic Transit protects the entire city and every single road leading to it, all at a massive global scale.
This visual really gets at the incredible scale we're talking about here. Magic Transit isn't just another checkpoint, it's more like a global traffic management system. It essentially absorbs all the traffic that's heading for your entire network, it cleans it by routing it through Cloudflare's own secure infrastructure, and only then does it forward the good, legitimate traffic onto you.
And this is its superpower, protecting the whole network from huge, overwhelming attacks. And here's the key difference. This isn't just for websites. It protects your company's entire IP space. We're talking your offices, your data centers, the whole shebang. So when a massive DDoS attack hits, Magic Transit just acts like a giant sponge, soaking up that flood so that your services stay online no matter what.
But here's the thing. The real magic isn't in any one of these layers by itself. It's about how they all work together as a single, unified system. Each layer is specifically designed to catch what the previous one might have missed. And what you get is a defense with no gaps, from the simplest network flood all the way to a super sophisticated application attack.
And this chart just lays it all out so perfectly. You can really see that beautiful progression. The network firewall is your big, broad filter for network traffic, the highway checkpoint. The WAF gives you that deep, detailed inspection for your specific web applications, the building's security guard. And then Magic Transit wraps around all of it, offering a comprehensive shield for your entire network infrastructure at a massive scale. Each has a very distinct job, but they all work in concert.
And really, this final quote just nails it. It's a complete system designed to stop threats early, protect your apps up close, and secure your entire infrastructure from those massive assaults. That layered approach, well, that's what powerful modern defense really looks like. And it makes you wonder, doesn't it? What weak points in our own systems could this kind of layered thinking help secure?